Number 9 wants us to find the measures of angles 1, 2, and 3. Now we can see that the 71 degrees and angle 2 are vertical angles because they're right across from each other. So that actually means that they're equal. So we know angle 2 has to be 71 degrees. And again, this is because they are vertical angles. Now we actually can find out what angle 1 is from angle 2, because angle 1 and angle 2, these add up to be 180 degrees. So they are supplementary. So if we take 180 minus 71, we get 109 degrees. And again, this is because they are supplementary. Let's see, so we know that this is 71. We know that this is 109. So then we actually know what angle 3 is, because the 109 and the angle 3 are vertical angles, so they have to be the same. So this is also 109 degrees, and that's because it's vertical of angle 1.